We are now entering Coorg Nesti Plantation Tours, coffee processing. ஸோ இங்கே வந்து எப்படி காஃபி வந்து உருவாக்குறாங்க அப்படின்றது வந்து ஃபுல் ப்ரொசீஜர் ஸ்டெப்ஸாக சொல்ல போகிறாங்க. நம்ம அதை பார்க்கறதுக்காக இங்கே வந்திருக்கோம். இது எவ்வளோ இது?
Coffee plantation, right? Coffee plantation, spices plantation.
Okay.
Visitor.
Okay.
Totally guide work. Hindi?
Tamil.
Tamil.
Okay.
English.
English,
There
yeah.
will be guide along with you.
Okay.
So we will explain you about the coffee plants and spices.
Okay.
And inside there is a coffee roasting, coffee roasting machine, grinding machine.
Okay.
And inside there is a shop also. So if you want to purchase anything, you can buy.
Okay.
So total it will take half an hour, 30 minutes to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Totally round. So per person 200 if there will be charge.
Per person 200. Okay. Is there any discounts?
No sir. This is fixed price.
ஓகே என்ன போகலாமா? ஓகே ஓகே நாங்கள் இப்போ கைடுக்காக வெயிட் பண்ணிக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இது பர் பர்சன் 200 rupees. உள்ள எப்படி காஃபி ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறாங்க அண்ட் காஃபி செடி எல்லாமே வந்து சுற்றி காட்ட போகிறாங்க. இப்போ நம்ம அப்படியே வீடியோவில் கேப்சர் பண்ணலாம். அங்கே தொப்பி போட்டுருக்கவர் தான் கைடு.
So this is coffee. In coffee there will be two varieties.
ஓகே.
In plants, Robusta, Arabica, and this is Robusta coffee. So first the process will be flowering. So
Okay.
after flowering, the green seed formation. After green, it will turn to red. So it will take 10 to 11 months from flowering to red seed, red bean. It will take 10 to 11 months. So yearly once you will get the harvesting of coffee.
ஓகே.
So after becoming red, you have to pluck it.
ஓகே.
So red will be the plucking time. Means
Okay.
in January, February, the plucking time. So almost every plant is plucked. This is just for demo to show to the visitors.
Okay.
So after plucking the red, you have to dye this red bean into the sunlight directly in the sun.
ஓகே.
So after dyeing, it will turn into black color.
Black color.
So after turning into black, you have to take out this black one.
Take the seed.
The main seed will be the inside. So this is main coffee seed. Coffee seed, this is main.
Coffee seed, okay.
So after taking this coffee seed, this you have to roast in machine. Half an hour to 1 hour you have to roast. Depends upon the roasting. In roasting there will be 3 types: light, medium, strong.
Okay.
So the more you roast, the more coffee will get bitter.
Okay.
So after roasting, it will turn into brown color. So after brown, they directly form to grinding powder, and coffee powder will be ready.
Okay.
So in raw form, you will not get the flavor of the coffee. After roasting, you will get the actual form of the flavor of the coffee.
Okay, if we smell it now, we can't.
No, you cannot.
Okay.
It is just a bean.
No coffee smell
No
at all.
coffee.
Yeah.
And the plant life of the Robusta is 80 years.
80.
80. And the root life is 240 years. Root life is different.
And how long this will take to become red?
From flowering it will take 10 to 11 months.
10 to 11 months, okay.
So yearly once you will get the harvesting of the coffee.
Oh.
Yearly once. In January, February there will be plucking time.
Okay.
And the life of this plant is 80 years.
80 years.
And root life is 240 years.
Okay.
So in 240 years, if you cut 3 times, means like 80. So it will grow 3 times.
Oh.
So after 80 years, the plant production will be, the harvesting will be go less. After 60, after 70 years, the process will be less. At this time, in like 15-20 years plant, you will get average per year 5 to 6 kg.
Okay.
Robin direct.
Okay.
So after 60-70, you will get lesser. After 80, completely it will go lesser. So after that, you have to cut the stem. Then it will go regrow.
Okay.
The stem will regrow, and the new plant will be again the same process.
Okay.
And this is eucalyptus oil.
Okay.
Eucalyptus oil. No?
Yeah.
This is a tree.
Nilagiri
This is a
Thailand.
plant, but it will grow more taller like a tree.
Oh, okay.
The base of the oil is leaf and the stem.
Leaf and the stem. Okay.
The oil is very usage for the body pain, neck, joint pain, like cold, headache. So it is very valuable. And the life of this plant is 50 to 60 years.
Okay.
50 to 60 years, it will grow like a tree, big
This
tree.
is the flower or what
This is a flower, but this is for next season,
next
next
season?
January.
Okay.
So
Oh.
March is a flowering time.
Oh.
So the flowering season will be just 1 week.
Uh-huh.
So now it is forming into green seed for the next year.
Oh,
Okay.
from flower it will turn to green to red.
So in next January, February, you will get the complete one pulp of this coffee.
Okay, okay.
And this is last year coffee, means last year,
Last year.
process. It has gotten now.
Okay, okay, okay. Cinnamon tree.
Cinnamon tree. And the leaf is bay leaf.
Okay.
Cinnamon with the sticks one. In cinnamon, you will get two varieties: outer bark and inner bark layer. Outer bark means the outer portion of the tree. Inner means after cutting the inner portion, which you will get, that is inner one. So inner will be first quality among the difference. First quality will be inner one. Second quality will be the outer one. So inner quality will be, the size will be in clean form, like a hollow type, like a stick. So inner outer will be like flat, surface will be flat, like it will be in some kind of shade. So the difference is both of them. And the first quality is inner one, second quality is outer one. The expensive also is inner one. And the leaf is bay leaf. After drying, you can use for cooking. So the tree life is 70 to 75 years. The usage of the bark you can use after 20 years. The tree should, the trunk should be in this form, in this size. So after that you can use this. Before that you can use only the leaf. And this is fig, anjeer, dry fruit anjeer fig.
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 Dry.
Dry.
This one.
This one.
Okay.
And this
That's a
is
big leaf, is it?
and this is hybrid one.
Hybrid.
So hybrid one we having big leaf, and it will be in plant form. Means it will grow in 12 to 13 feet maximum. Maximum 15 feet.
Uh-huh.
So it will be in plant form. Another one will be desi form. Desi form anjeer means it will be in tree form. Leaf will be small one.
Okay.
Opposite to this.
Oh.
And anjeer will be, you can see in the trunk, means in stem. So first it will be green color.
Uh-huh.
After green it will turn into red. After red it is plucking time. After plucking you have to dry in sunlight. After
Okay.
drying in sunlight it will turn into brown.
Brown.
And anjeer is ready. And you have to compress it.
It should be in round,
Around
V
you have
shape,
to
right?
you have to compress it. After that ready for sale. And the life of this hybrid one is 40 to 45 years.
Oh, okay.
And this need more shadow and water.
Okay. It needs shadow.
Shadow and water.
Water.
More shadow.
And for coffee also, it only depends on the rain, or
Rain, soil, temperature, shadow.
you're giving out water for that, or only
Water means yearly once we will give the sprinkling, because 4-5 months there will be rain here continuously.
Oh.
So that is enough. After in March means this in summer season we will sprinkle it. Sprinkler means in motor, so manually. So once in a year sprinkling, and other days are rainy. So for coffee plant you need 50% shade for Robusta. And Arabica is different one, that I will explain you.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Okay.
Green one.
Okay.
And pepper is a creeper. Means it is not a tree.
Yeah.
It is a creeper. It is just attached to the one jungle tree to grow. It means it is a climber. So just for the support. So now it is green. So after becoming green, it will turn into red. After turning into red, you have to pluck it. After that same procedure, you have to dry in sunlight. Then it will turn into black one. After that, if you want, means in shop you will get powder form also, direct form also. The same thing. And it is a creeper. In raw form also you will get the flavor of this.
yeah.
ஓ இது வந்து ஒரு மரத்தில் அப்படியே கட்டிடுறாங்க அப்படியே வளருது.
It will be spicy, so you have to bite it little bit. It will be spicy.
Cardamom.
Elaichi is
Okay.
formed, the main process of the growing is from the root, like this.
Okay.
The roots will come out from the soil, and the green one, the formation is cardamom.
Okay.
So in leaf you will not get any kind of flavor.
Mm-hmm. From the root.
The leaf will be only a green leaf. You can smell it.
Okay.
There is no any flavor or smell. It is just a green leaf.
Just a green leaf.
So main the production, the growth is in the root. So this is also once in a year in the mid time, after June, before September. after there will be rainy season here, so in that time you will get it. And for this plant you need more shade, maximum shade,
shadow.
maximum shadow shade, and the more water.
Okay.
The height of this plant will grow like 12 to 13 feet. That's the stem one.
Okay.
So after that you have to need the support for this.
Oh,
The
okay.
stem will be thin, so you have to need the support. And the first 4 years after plucking the tree or the plant of this, the first 4 years will be the production, the first production. So in first 4-5 years you will get the like gram in gram, like 200 grams, 300 grams you will get
Oh.
the elaichi. So after 8 years, 10 years, 12 years, you will get like in kgs. Okay.
Okay.
So once in a year, that too very in limited form. So it is very costly.
Oh, which is why it is costly.
Elaichi and clove also same thing. That is also very costly. Means once in a year. That is also means for the harvesting is slow. First 4-5 tree year plant you will get like a grams, 200-300 grams. Then after years you will get 1 kg,
In
1.5 kg. Like
Okay. Okay.
that. And this is silver oak tree.
Silver oak tree.
Silver
Okay.
tree. And it is used for plywood sheets. The
Plywood.
The
Okay.
plywood.
Okay.
And it will be always be in straight form, and it will grow in a feet like more than 50, 60, 70 feet taller. It is used in maximum in plywood sheet. If you
Appa.
it is very light wood, means it is no long lasting wood. So if you used in furniture also, the furniture will be in very cheap price. So
Okay.
after 5-6 years, the wood will get like it will turn into blackish.
Okay.
So there is no long lasting wood. So it is suitable and perfect for
Short terms and
short terms like plywood. And the leaf of this plant you can see when the sun rays is fallen, there is a silver shine in this. So it is also
Yeah.
called as a silver tree. You can see clearly.
Yeah.
And the next one,
it's called oak tree, right?
silver oak.
Silver oak.
Silver oak tree. And the next one is this is also silver one, the thin one. But that is 10-12 years, and this is 35 to 40 years. So from that form to this form, it takes to 35 to 40 years to be in a big tree for the usage. And this life will be around more than 75 to 80 years. After 8 years, there is no use of this tree. Means this is also will get weaker.
I mean, you cut down completely
No.
or it will regrow?
It will be weaker.
Weaker.
Weaker means first the branches will fall off, then leaves, then trunk. Means it will get a termine
Okay.
like that. Then there will be no strength in the tree. After that you cannot use for plywood also, not either for furniture also.
Mm-hmm.
It is waste. So before the 70-80 years you have to use it. Like in 40-50 years form you have to use it. Bird eye chili.
Chili. Okay.
Bird eye chili. And the maximum length of this chili is this much.
Oh.
Maximum length of this chili is this much.
But it will be more spicy, right?
More spicy. More spicy.
Spicy.
It will be more spicy than the normal big chili.
Okay.
It will be 2-3 times spicy than the normal chili.
Oh, okay.
And it is used for as a fat burn also.
Uh-huh.
You can use it for normal cooking purpose, but the advantage of this this chili is for the fat burn. And in the Coorg there is a wine by name Bird Eye Chili.
Okay.
Bird actually.
Bird Eye Chili, homemade wine, non-alcoholic.
Nice.
It is good for fat burn.
எவ்வளோ குட்டியாக இருக்கு, கண்ணில் வச்சுனா இப்போ கண் எரிய ஆரம்பிச்சிடும். ஓகே, இங்கே எல்லாம் ஸ்பைசஸ் அண்ட் காஃபி எல்லாமே வந்து உள்ளேயே ரெடி பண்ணது வந்து இங்கே வச்சுருக்குறாங்க, பேக்கிங் பண்ணி. இங்கே வந்தாலே மேகி ஸ்மெல் இருக்குது. ஸோ இங்கே ஹனி வந்து 2 வகையான ஹனி வச்சுருக்காங்க. ஒன்று வந்து 1 kg இந்த 400 rupees பாட்டில், அப்படி இல்லைன்னா வந்து இது வந்து ஸ்மால் பீ ஹனி. இது வந்து 500 grams-ஏ 420 rupees வருது. இது வந்து மெடிசினல் பர்பஸ்க்காக யூஸ் ஆகும் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க. நீங்கள் வந்து நிறைய காஃபி தூள் இருக்குது, எல்லாத்துலேயுமே வந்து சிக்கரி ஆட் பண்ணது, சிக்கரி ஆட் பண்ணாதது. சிக்கரி ஆட் பண்ணாததுன்னா வந்து அது கெஃபைன் கண்டென்ட் அதிகமாக இருக்கும். ஸோ சில பேருக்கு ஸ்ட்ராங்காக வேணும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்க அதை வந்து வாங்கணும்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. அண்டு 1 kg, 1/2 kg, 250 grams எல்லாத்துலேயுமே வந்து இங்கே இருக்க காஃபீஸ் இருக்குது. இந்த பாட்டிலில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்து இந்த பாட்டிலில் இருக்கிறது எல்லாமே வந்து இன்ஸ்டன்ட் காஃபி. அப்புறம் வந்து இங்கே ஏலக்காய், பட்டை, கிராம்பு எல்லாமே இருக்குது. அதே மாதிரி இங்கே தனியாக ரசம் பவுடர், சட்னி பவுடர், டர்மரிக் பவுடர், சாம்பார் பவுடர், மட்டன் மசாலா எல்லாமே செஞ்சு வச்சுருக்காங்க. இது கிஃப்ட் பாக்ஸ் மாதிரி வச்சுருக்காங்க. அண்ட் அங்கேருந்து அப்படியே வந்தோன்னா இங்கே என்ட்ரன்ஸில் வந்து பர்ஃப்யூம்ஸ் எல்லாமே வச்சுருக்காங்க, இவங்களே ரெடி பண்ணது. இங்கே இவங்க வந்து நெஸ்ட்டு கூட பண்ணி வச்சுருக்குறாங்க. வித்தியாசமாக இருக்குது. என்ன நெஸ்ட் இது? குருவி நெஸ்ட்டா? வளர்க்குறவங்க வந்து இதை வாங்கி இந்த நெஸ்ட் வைக்கலாம். எப்படியும் நம்ம வைக்கலாம்னா அவங்களே கட்டிப்பாங்க. This is the factory outlet and we are leaving from here.